Hey WashU! Welcome to Bear Bustle. I'm Morgan here from Campus Life to give you the scoop on what's going on this week. And you'll find a lot more on WooGo. On Thursday, the College Democrats are hosting activist David Hogg in a virtual campus visit. Emma Singh is here to tell us more.
Hi, this is Emma Singh, president of College Democrats. This Thursday, we're hosting David Hogg, noted gun control activist and organizer for the March for Our Lives. Thursday from 7 to 8 p.m. Check out our WooGo page and/or our Instagram to learn more. Thank you.
Thanks, Emma. Now on Friday, Tyson Conservation Corps is holding an urban foraging workshop in the burning kumquat garden. Learn how to find the edible plants growing all around us. And finally, check out the All-Student Theater Spring Show, pre-recorded this year and premiering Friday online. Thanks for tuning in, Bears. I'll see you next week.